Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a drink for your heart. All you will need is tomato, cayenne, red bell pepper, paprika powder, coriander leaves, basil leaves, and extra virgin olive oil. Coriander may help lower your blood sugar, fight infections, and promote heart, brain, skin, and digestive health. The eugenol and basil can block calcium channels, which may help to lower blood pressure. The essential oils in the herb can help to lower your cholesterol and triglycerides. Basil also contains magnesium, which can help to improve blood flow by allowing muscles and blood vessels to relax. Cayenne used for conditions of the heart and blood vessels, including to improve blood circulation, reverse excessive blood clotting, lower high cholesterol, and prevent heart disease. Tomato juice is rich in nutrients like vitamin C, B vitamins, and potassium. It is also an excellent source of antioxidants such as lycopene, which may reduce inflammation and your risk of heart disease and some cancers. Red peppers are able to reduce heart disease and reduce death from heart disease. Summary studies suggest that carotenoids in paprika may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL, good cholesterol, thus improving heart health. Extra virgin olive oil is a great source of monounsaturated fatty acid and has shown to help reduce one risk for heart disease. Olive oil also helps with giving antioxidants that can protect red blood cells from damage, otherwise that damage could lead to heart disease, heart attacks, and stroke. Thank you for watching me guys. I hope that drink will help you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.